weather this week, but temperatures generally speaking below average. Let's look at some of the nighttime temperatures. Frost will still be a problem during the course of the coming week in many places. Over Scotland tonight and early on Tuesday, and then some patches of frost developing farther south during Wednesday and again on Thursday. But increasing cloud and wind will rise temperatures above freezing in Scotland during Friday and into Saturday, but a further bubble of cold air reaching there too. So not yet finished with frost, I'm afraid, although there'll be a lot of cloud about. The reason for the fine weather coming down from midweek onwards, an area of high pressure, but not just yet. We have an active front weakening at the moment over Northern Ireland and northwest England, but another front spreading more rain into Wales and southern counties of England during the course of tomorrow. But this is a high which will become increasingly cloudy as it pushes southeastwards and eventually getting rid of those cutting northeasterly winds, which will be a feature of the weather over eastern parts of England particularly, and some southern parts over the next few days. The high pressure is sinking southwards, allowing further fronts to brush northern and eastern parts of Scotland over the next few days. This next front coming up and threatening at least southern parts of Britain for the weekend. More of that as we go through the week. This is the radar display over the last few hours. Some rain over Northern Ireland, the Irish Sea, into northwestern parts of England. The weak front weakening farther as it dribbles through the Midlands there. But certainly some drizzle is possible near those eastern coasts, which will stay rather dull and misty in many places. The best of the weather today is over Scotland, well-broken clouds, lots of sunshine, no more than the odd shower, and there'll be some windy sunshine in parts of the southwest as well, particularly the northern coasts of Cornwall and Devon. Have a look at those winds actually picking up in the east and the south over the next few hours. And temperatures near the east coast only 4 or 5 Celsius. The best in the west, 13 or so Celsius, the maximum temperature today. Not as warm as it was yesterday. Further rain spreading up into Wales and southern parts of England during tomorrow. Some drizzle still near those eastern dull coasts there, but a lot of dry weather about as we get into Tuesday. The rain gradually peeling away from southern parts of Britain during Tuesday and Wednesday, but some further rain reaching the far north and northeast of Scotland by then. Going through into Thursday, some showers, possibly even some sleet in the highest ground in the far north and northeast of Scotland. Most of it dry, a lot of cloud, temperatures very gradually warming up, but still staying, if anything, a degree or so below normal. And that's the picture for Friday, the dry weather continuing.